Well, as number 9 closes, number 10 opens. So just follow me down and you'll see where all the goodness is going to happen in 2026. Well guys, this is where you'll find us. This is number 10 Malcolm Court, Kealba. We're combining both shops into one and one house. So yes, it is a work in progress. The boys have been busy over the last couple of weeks and transferring everything across from number 9. So, but same number, same email address, same people, same faces. If you need anything, this is where we'll be at, number 10. Can't miss us.